In this quick tutorial I want to show you how to get from Undercity to Thunder Bluff in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King. Well, that's a long journey because Undercity is located in Tirisfal Glades in Eastern Kingdom and Thunder Bluff is in the total opposite direction. Oh my god, it's in Kalimdor, in Mulgore, and that's very far away. And I'll show you how to get there by foot, but I have to make a disclaimer, there is a shorter way to get to Thunder Bluff. If you can find a mage anywhere along the map and you can ask him nicely to create you a Thunder Bluff portal, just do that because it's much faster than getting there by foot. But if you still want to know how to get there using your feet or your mount, well, I have to announce you then that you found the perfect tutorial for this. So to get to Thunder Bluff from Undercity, you will have to exit Undercity, and in Tirisfal Glades, in the front of Undercity, there will arrive like 3 Zeppelins. You will have to climb the second tower and take the Zeppelin which will arrive in the middle, because that Zeppelin will take you to Orgrimmar, and from Orgrimmar we'll have to switch Zeppelins and to take the last Zeppelin from there. So shortly this Zeppelin from the second tower will take you in the right side of Orgrimmar in Durota. So now you'll have to go in the left side of Orgrimmar. There you will find another tower, so you'll have to climb it, and now in that specific tower will arrive 2 different Zeppelins. Don't take the one which will face the Orgrimmar because that's going to Northrend. We are not interested in that one. Instead you'll have to take the one which is facing the opposite direction of Orgrimmar, and now you'll have to wait. I mean, you have time to think about life, you have time to think about your wife, because this Zeppelin will take a while to get here, alright? So in my opinion this is the longer period of time which you'll have to wait for a Zeppelin or for a boat in WOW WOTLK, in WOTLK Classic. So once this Zeppelin will arrive, get aboard it, and now you have time again to think about your wife, your groceries, I don't know, because it will take a while to get to Thunder Bluff, but it's faster than walking, and also it's faster than using your mount to get to Thunder Bluff. So that's how to get to Thunder Bluff from Undercity in WOW WOTLK in Wrath of the Lich King. I hope this tutorial helped you out, a comment would be much appreciated, and thanks a lot for watching.